Hello guys, this is Amin, your real estate guy in Indianapolis. It's a brand new year. I'm glad you and I made it. I congratulate you and myself for being here today. It's actually a great privilege to be here, and I'm so thankful and grateful for it. And I think you should too. I also want to thank all our amazing clients for their love, trust, and support over the year. I'm so grateful for it. Thank you, and God bless you. I'm still here in Indianapolis as your real estate guy, ready to continue serving all your real estate needs. So please keep referring friends and family, and we keep providing the best service we could. Today, I'll be talking about home buying power. This clip is going to be very informative, so stay tuned. Home affordability or buying power is the process of analyzing your income, debt, savings, and current market factors like home price, mortgage rate, and determine how much else you can comfortably afford. The home affordability calculator table right here. So we're going to do the mortgage calculator first to get the clear view of where we're going. So let's say client A is buying a house of $250. I wanted to know how much he'll be paying for his mortgage. So if you're buying a house of $250,000, if you're using FHA, which if you're a first-time home buyer, you qualify for that, your down payment will be 3.5, which is going to be $8,750. And then this brings us to your loan amount, which is going to be $241,250. Let's say you're getting 5% mortgage rate. Actually, the mortgage of today is around 6.2, or you might get some incentives to get the rate down. This is just an example. Let's say you're getting 5%. This 5% and the term of the mortgage 30 years. That's what brings us to this number. So the breakdown is your PI, principal, mortgage finance charges, and PMI bring us to $1,470.99 a month, and the property tax, which is going to be, this is paying to the government. It's not paying to the lender, not paying to me. The hazard insurance as well. You have to insure your house because of disaster, unprecedented thing that we don't prepare for actually can happen. That's for the hazard insurance, to protect yourself and your asset. And the HOA, the homeowner association, is what you pay to some management to keep managing your common area, like the road, the pool area, the lawn mower, and all that kind of stuff. That's what you pay to them to manage that. So that's what brings us to $1,804.32 in a month. That's what your mortgage will be if you buy a house of this price and you're getting this rate, and it's going to be 30 years loan. There are some other stuff, but this is just a calculator. Let's move to the other side now. Getting to the real deal of the day, the buying power. We're going to use an example of someone that makes $30 an hour and working full-time. The gross monthly pay will be $5,196. The lender rules it's 28% housing ratio, and they can get up to 36% total debt ratio. We have some lenders that have exception, and they can increase this to 43%. That's why you need to work with a real estate guy like me, so that we can connect you with a good lender and also get you a good deal. The housing ratio, if you're using this base standard, which is 28%, that means your affordability power is 1,454. If we're adjusting it to include your debt, then you can afford up to 1,870. If you don't have any debt, then this is what you can afford. But if you have, like, let's say you have a minimal debt of $70 a month, then we can deduct the $70 and give us $1,856. Conservatively, if you're making $30 an hour, working full-time, have a minimal debt, then you can afford a house of between $230,000 to $250,000. This is not personalized, it's general. And then sometimes you can still be making this amount, the $30 an hour, and working full-time, and can still be afford more than this. You can be making less at like $20, $18, and still be able to afford this amount. There are some other factors that I could not see, and I cannot say what you can actually afford. If you want this to be personalized to you, don't hesitate to reach out to us, and we can get all your information and the numbers and put them together and get you the real number. This new calendar year, let us help you at ASED Realty to achieve your real estate goal. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, upgrading, or investing, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our number is still the same, 317-650-0636. Once again, 6500636. Thank you for listening. I'll see you soon.